Peace.
Well, I think we're gonna do it outside.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody scoot in a little bit, like you're kind of friends or whatever. All right, everyone get intimate.
Get intimate?
Don't fight it.
It's Shotgun Tuesday at this point.
We don't do Tuesdays that often.
No, but
Yeah.
it's 4th of July, gentlemen.
It's gonna be very tasty.
Oh yeah. Up on the dock, we got May Brewing's Tan Lines, Mexican style lager with sea salt and lime. Just a nice crisp 4.5%. So Kate May, yeah.
No wrap.
No wrap. 12 ounces. We're in heaven,
Under
baby.
5%.
Heaven.
Man,
Regular can.
Yeah.
I was, I needed water, but now I got
Yeah. Bottom down.
how you
gentlemen.
doing? I'm down.
Delicious.
So cold.
Oh, so good.
That was good.
Woo.
Oh man.
That is refreshing.
That was really good.
Kate May they make some pretty good.
I'm gonna have to get some of that in my home. That was really good.
Oh, man.
That's on sea salt and lime. I'm like, yeah, this is gonna be
It's going to be, yeah.
Drink them all night.
Oh, Kate May, that is to you. And to America. Happy 4th of July.
This is our 7th one doing this, by the way.
7th 4th of July?
Yeah.
Yeah, really?
Shotgun and beers. We've done 7 4th of July.